Hello everyone, so if you want to transfer your files from your POCO X6 Pro to your Windows laptop or PC, so first of all, what we gotta do is we're gonna open up our settings. We gotta find our About Phone tab. In an About Phone tab, we gotta find our OS version. So tap on it 7 times to activate our developer mode. Great. Now as we activate it, let's go back in our settings. Now let's choose additional settings. Let's find our developer mode options. Here they are. And now we gotta unlock our USB debugging options. So wait 10 seconds. We're gonna get this menu, which is totally fine. So confirm that you're aware of all the possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. So now press OK. You enabled your USB debugging. That's good. All right. Now grab a phone and grab a compatible cable. So mine is gonna be USB-C, which we're gonna insert into our charger, the charger of phone. And the other part is gonna be USB-A, which we're gonna insert into our computer. So let's do this. So as we've inserted both of the cables, let me make it pretty. All right, so as we insert everything, now on the phone, as you see on the phone, we're gonna scroll down from the very top and find charging on this device. Now we're gonna press and choose transfer, file transfer, Android Auto. All right, we've chosen it. Now our laptop, as you see, it detected our POCO. So let's open up our files, find this PC. Here is our POCO, tap on it twice, open it up, and here is all of your files which you have around there. So if you want to move some file from your computer to your POCO, simply grab a file and let's grab it to music. So as you see, it was transferred to music. Now let's grab our POCO. On our POCO, let's open up our files. Here they are. Press agree, press allow, allow all, consent, and here is our file which we just moved. It's already in our POCO, and basically that's it. That's how you move files. When you're done with everything, simply take off the file and the process is finished. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel and have a great day.